Hi there. So if you go into your data and analysis, you will see you have three possible date filters that you can use: start date, end date, and recorded date. Start date is whenever the participant clicked on the link for the first time, so whenever they started the survey. End date is whenever the participant last clicked or had some activity with the survey. And then recorded date is whenever the response got recorded. For the most part, end date and recorded date is the same, but there are cases under which there will be a discrepancy, and this is because the participant didn't finish the survey fully. If you go under survey and click on survey options, at the very bottom you're going to find partial completion, which is a setting that indicates what will happen to a response that was started but never fully finished. In this case, you have specified that you want to record it after 1 week of their last activity. So essentially, if I start a response on Monday and I don't touch it, let's say for a week, then my response will be moved from a response in progress into a recorded response, which is what we see here, a 7-day discrepancy. So you can use these filters to, or these columns to filter on your report by going on to report, add a filter, and then selecting start date, for instance, or end date, whichever one you feel is the best, and saying is between, and then you can specify any time. So for instance, let's say this is for 2020, so January to December 2020. And then the responses that come in here are only going to be for that year. Unfortunately, there is no way that we can have this one and then another widget side by side. But what you could do is just create one report for 2016 where you create that date filter, then create another report where you have 2017, another one for 2018, and you could make them public or you can share them with whoever needs to see them.